In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Crumbl Cookie Gift Card. This is a quick, convenient way to treat someone to fresh cookies, and you can do it through popular retailers like Costco, Target, Walmart, or Kroger. I'll walk you through each part so you know exactly what to expect and how to avoid common mistakes. Start by heading to your chosen retailer and navigating to the Gift Cards section. You'll usually find this clearly labeled on the homepage or in the site or app menu. If there's a search bar, typing Crumbl Gift Card can take you right there. Make sure you're selecting the official Crumbl Cookie option so the funds will work at Crumbl locations or online. Next, choose the e-gift card format. An e-gift card is delivered digitally, which means no shipping, no waiting for the mail, and an easy way to send last-minute gifts. If you see physical cards listed, skip those for now and stick with e-gift to follow along with this process. Now select the amount you want to give. Most retailers offer flexible amounts, typically anywhere from $5 up to $500. Think about the occasion and how many treats you'd like to cover. If you're not sure, pick a round number that feels right. The recipient can use the balance over multiple visits. Enter the recipient's email address next. This is where the gift card will be sent, so double-check spelling carefully. If you prefer to present the gift yourself, you can enter your own email, receive the card, and then print it or forward it when you're ready. You'll usually see an option to add a short message. This is optional, but a nice touch. Keep it simple and celebratory, and be mindful of any character limits shown on the page. When everything looks good, click Buy or Send. Take a moment to review the order summary, including the amount, the recipient email, and any message you added. Correcting errors now prevents delivery delays later. Proceed to payment using a credit or debit card or a mobile wallet if the retailer supports it. Enter your billing details accurately and confirm the purchase. You'll see a confirmation screen once the payment goes through. The gift card is sent instantly by email. In most cases, it arrives within minutes, though it can take a little longer during busy times. If you don't see it, have the recipient check their spam or promotions folder. Save your confirmation email as proof of purchase and you're done. Your Crumbl Cookie e-gift card is ready to enjoy.